Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be sharing with you the second part in my Christmas 2025 Decorate With Me series. So today we are decorating my living room in this really elegant and classic Nutcracker theme. So if you guys want to see how I did it, please keep watching. Alright, so the first thing that I like to do is to decorate my shelves. I like to get the most bulky, most time-consuming things done first, besides the Christmas tree. So I did find this Nutcracker portrait from Walmart. It was, I think, around $22, a little pricey, but definitely pretty and worth it in my opinion. These candlestick holders also came from Walmart. How adorable are these? I love them so much. They are very, very fragile though, so keep that in mind. I did put some twisted white candles that I got from At Home in them, and I kind of had to force them down in there, but at least I know that they're snug. And then this Merry sign is also from At Home. They had a lot of really pretty traditional red and green Christmas colored items this year. I mean, as they do every year, but I really loved the stuff they had this year. And then these beautiful glass Christmas trees, they are from Walmart. Walmart, again, hit it out of the park. I got 4 of them, so I got 2 green and 2 red to put on either side. And this Nutcracker is from Hobby Lobby. He's really cute. You can change the date. It's a countdown calendar, as well as this ornament. I thought that was really pretty. Now, what I love about shelves is you can just do whatever you want. You can really load it up. You can use books, you know, to stack things, to give some things some height. Like these drums I found on eBay. I got 2 of them. This Holly Jolly sign is from Kohl's. But you really can do anything with shelves. I love them so much for the holidays. And then just pictures of my family from years past with Santa. Those frames both came from Ross. And then the Noel sign is from the At Home store. And then the beautiful little Nutcracker planter, he is from Walmart. I have 2 of them. And then the pics are also from Walmart. And then this Nutcracker bin I got from At Home, and I just put a bunch of ornaments in there. I did not know what to put in there, and I knew I just needed to fill my shelves, so I just stuck a ton of ornaments in there. And here, how cute is this little nesting dolls set from Walmart? It is a Nutcracker. I thought it was adorable. Now we're moving on to the second shelf on the left side of my television. I got this beautiful beaded Nutcracker from TJ Maxx. He was a little pricey this year. I would say in years past it'd probably be like $14 or $15. So $19 was a little pricey, but he was really cute and I had to have him. And then we're going to place those glass cone trees on the other side. And then here is that other drum riser that I got from eBay. I have a red and a green one, like I said. Now this shelf, I didn't know what to do to put on top of the drum. So I did put 2 little Nutcracker, believe it or not, they're salt and pepper shakers. I put them on top. I might change it, I'm not sure. I don't love how it looks, but we'll see. And then how precious is this rocking horse? He is from At Home too. I don't know where the sticker is. That's what I'm looking for to share with you guys, but I want to say he was around $15. And he rocks. It's really cute. And then Have a Holly Jolly Christmas. I got that from Hobby Lobby. Again, everything I'm showing you, I did get this year. This is a brand new theme for me. I have never done the Nutcracker theme, so everything you see that's Nutcracker, brand new. I will link what I can for you guys down below. And then the Believe sign is also from At Home. And I found these really pretty little Nutcracker. They had a ballerina, and then they had the Mouse King from the Nutcracker actual play and story. They had those at Hobby Lobby, and I got 2 sets of each. And I put some throughout my tree. I really love them. They were really inexpensive as well. And how cute is this Nutcracker ball thing? It's from Walmart. And then that cute little sign, it's the most wonderful time of year. It's from Hobby Lobby. So next up, I'm just going to hang some garland and my stockings since we don't have a fireplace. Here I'm just showing you the hooks that I use. I get them from Amazon. I will link them down below. I really love them. I got a huge pack of them and they are super great and they don't leave any residue behind. So that bow garland is from Hobby Lobby. And then how cute are these stockings? I got them from Ross. They came in a pack of 4, so it was perfect. They were really precious. They were around $18 or $19, but I really love these. And I'm gonna hang them up on my TV stand. Now, when it's time to actually fill the stockings, we'll take them down and put them on the floor, but I just loved how it looked here with the garland. And then the final touches for my TV stand, I found this Nutcracker at, believe it or not, Five Below. And he was $5. I should have got 2 of him in hindsight, but oh well, maybe I can get more. And then these light bulb little, I guess you can call them snow globes. They light up. I got them from Hobby Lobby last year. Super cute. I've got a couple of those as well. And then this runner came from Ross. Gotta love Ross. They always have really good stuff at fair prices. I'm putting it on my coffee table. And then this tray I've had for forever. I don't even know where I got it. And then the Nutcracker planter, I'm using it for my remotes. So I got 2 of them, like I said earlier. Thought it would be a good idea. And then this candle is so pretty. I just loved it for its picture. I mean, it does smell good, but the picture of it is what drew me in. With the nutcrackers on it. It's from Walmart, as well as this little arrangement from Walmart years and years ago. I have a few of those as well. All right, so now we're gonna put out our pillows. I went ahead and put my pillow covers on all my pillows just to make it easier. I got all of my pillow covers from Amazon. I love doing that instead of storing holiday pillows. I've learned my lesson. I have way too many as it is, but how pretty is this checked one or plaid one? It's a really pretty plaid. It kind of matches my ribbon in my tree, and it's got gold threading throughout. And then this blanket was from Walmart, and it was only $6. I think it was $5.97 to be exact, with the nutcrackers all over it. I thought it was cute. And then this red blanket, I believe, is from Ross. And then we've also got some more pillows. That sequin one, Amazon as well. And then this pillow is so cute. It was expensive though, $20 at home for one pillow. Oof. But it's really cute. It's got the nutcrackers and then the gold threading throughout, and then the tassels, really, really precious. Now, I did get this Nutcracker pillow from Amazon, but it was $35. I would have got 2, but it's not very full and it kind of bends in half. So I don't recommend considering the price, but if it was cheaper, I would still, I would buy it. But anyway, just got this nice green blanket. We're going to put it up there. Don't mind my son. He's eating his breakfast in the background. So now we're moving on to the tree. Now this tree I did off camera. It did take me quite a few days to do it, so I did not want to bore you with all of the footage that I got, because again, it's just very tedious, but I love it so much. 90% of these ornaments are all new, from At Home, from Ross, from Walmart, from Dollar Tree. Those nutcrackers there, those plastic nutcrackers, they are from Dollar Tree. I absolutely love how this tree turned out. I got my poinsettias from Walmart, the clips. There's some really beautiful green gems in the tree. Hobby Lobby, there's a lot of ornaments from Hobby Lobby. That big red gem is from Walmart. The snowflakes are from the 99-cent store. And then that ballerina, she is part of the wood set that I was telling you about earlier from Hobby Lobby. I've got the ballerina and the Rat King and then the Nutcracker. And then my ribbon, my plaid ribbon, is from At Home, and then the Nutcracker ribbon is from Walmart. It was a big score. I was so happy to find it. I was looking everywhere for a Nutcracker ribbon that was not an arm and a leg. So I will link what I can down below for you guys. But I absolutely loved how this tree turned out. This little choo-choo train from Walmart, really precious. This is my first time decorating with gold, so I had to buy all new gold picks and balls and all that stuff. I usually just do a traditional red and white tree and then my gingerbread trees and Santa trees. But I really, really love how this one turned out. It's probably my favorite tree I've ever done. All right, guys, that is my living room for this year. I hope you enjoyed. It did take me quite a few days to do that tree, but I'm so happy with how it turned out. Like I said earlier, I will link everything that I can down below if you guys want to purchase some of these items for yourself. Unfortunately, like the stockings from Ross and the beaded Nutcracker, I can't share because I came from Ross, but always, keep your eye out at those kind of stores. They always have really, really good stuff at really fair prices. So stay tuned. I am filming another decorate with me. I still have to do my kitchen and my dining room, which is a gingerbread theme. And then if you haven't seen the Santa entryway video that I did previous to this one, it will be linked down below. Definitely go check that one out for more inspiration. And I hope you guys liked it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas time.